This is Operational Manager Todd Dunning with a tropical storm Zeta update. This is a video update from TNW News. Here's your tropical storm update from the National Hurricane Center, NHC. This is 1 hour ago. This is the current update. Stand by.
ZETA expected to bring hurricane conditions to portions of the northern Gulf of Mexico coast on Wednesday. A hurricane warning continues from Morgan City, LA to the MSAL state line, including Lake Pontchartrain, Lake Maurepas, and Metropolitan New Orlean. Hurricane conditions are expected within the hurricane warning area on the northern Gulf Coast late Wednesday, with tropical storm conditions beginning Wednesday afternoon. Preparations to protect life and property should be rushed to completion. A storm surge warning continues from Intracoastal City, LA to Navarre FL, including Lake Borgne, Lake Pontchartrain, Vermilion Bay, Pensacola Bay, and Mobile Bay. The water could reach the following heights above ground somewhere in the indicated areas if the peak surge occurs at the time of high tide. Mouth of the Pearl River to Dauphin Island AL, 5-8 feet. Port Fort John LA to the mouth of the Pearl River including Lake Borgne, 4-6 feet. Dauphin Island AL to LFL border Mobile Bay, 3-5 feet. Intracoastal City LA to Port Fort John LA Vermilion Bay, 2-4 feet. LFL state line to Navarre FL Pensacola Bay, 2-4 feet. Lake Pontchartrain, 2-4 feet. Navarre FL to Yankeetown FL including Choctawhatchee Bay and St. Andrew Bay, 1-3 feet. A tropical storm warning continues in Mexico from Punta Allen to Progreso and Cozumel, and, in the U.S., from the MSAL state line to the Okaloosa-Walton County line FL. Tropical storm conditions are expected within the tropical storm warning area on the northern Gulf Coast by late Wednesday. A tropical storm watch continues from west of Morgan City to Intracoastal City, LA. Tropical storm conditions are possible within the tropical storm watch area late Wednesday. At 10 a.m. CDT, the center of Tropical Storm Zeta was located just offshore of the northern coast of the Yucatan Peninsula, about 25 miles, 40 kilometers east of Progreso and about 520 miles, 835 kilometers south of the mouth of the Mississippi River. Zeta is moving toward the northwest near 14 miles per hour, 22 kilometers per hour. And this general motion is forecast to continue today. Zeta should turn toward the north tonight, and a faster northward to north-northeastward motion is expected on Wednesday. On the forecast track, the center of Zeta will move over the southern Gulf of Mexico later today and over the central Gulf of Mexico tonight. Zeta is forecast to approach the northern Gulf Coast on Wednesday, make landfall within the hurricane warning area late Wednesday or Wednesday night, and move inland across the southeastern United States early Thursday. Maximum sustained winds are near 65 miles per hour, 100 kilometers per hour, with higher gusts. Tropical storm force winds extend outward up to 140 miles, 220 kilometers, from the center. Zeta is forecast to re-strengthen while it moves over the southern Gulf of Mexico, and become a hurricane again later today. Zeta is forecast to be at or near hurricane strength when it reaches the northern Gulf Coast late Wednesday. Rainfall totals of 4 to 8 inches with local amounts of 12 inches are possible through today across the Yucatan Peninsula of Mexico and the Cayman Islands. An additional 1 to 3 inches of rain will be possible across western Cuba through Tuesday. An initial area of heavy rains will begin to impact the central Gulf Coast tonight, with the core of heavy rain spreading north into the Ohio Valley and mid-Atlantic through Thursday, near and in advance of Zeta. Rainfall totals of 2 to 4 inches with isolated amounts of 6 inches are expected across these areas, resulting in flash, urban, small stream, and minor river flooding. A few tornadoes are possible Wednesday and Wednesday night over southeastern Mississippi, southern Alabama, and the eastern panhandle of Florida. The next completed advisory will be issued by NHC at 4 p.m. CDT with an intermediate advisory at 1 p.m. CDT. www.hurricanes.gov.
You have been listening to TNW News. LLC Operational Manager Todd Nardoni gave a tropical storm Zeta update. Our next completed advisory from the National Hurricane Center will be on our social media pages and our website. If we have to, we will come back on the air with another video update. Have a good day. And the podcast regarding this storm or tropical storm is out now on all your favorite podcast platforms. Once again, this has been Operational Manager Todd Nardoni with a tropical storm Zeta update from the National Hurricane Center.